Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can switch on a board on Pinterest to see more content related to it. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Tap on your profile icon, then select three dots icon. Next, tap on settings and then open Home Feed Tuner. From here, swipe to boards and then toggle on the button beside the board you want to switch on. And that's it. This is how you can switch on a board on Pinterest. Now, you can see ideas related to the board on Pinterest. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.